I'm back, it's me again. New town, new school, new friends. I'm still here, I never forgot about you. A love like yours, girl, I can't live without you. Holla back in the middle of the night, you'll call me back. There's nothing that I won't do. You're so fine, you're my friend. I guess I have a crush till the very end. So, my love, my friend, my love, my friend, my love, my friend. I hope we be together till the very end. Let's get it. I got a crush, but I don't wanna lose. Do she feel the way I do? Is she really gonna choose? I'm just a kid, she's a cute hottie. What I know about love, you better ask somebody. Charles City, get ready, cause here I come. I miss my girl, she's the one. I know it's kind of hard. Tell her how I feel, I should've did it from the start. Let's get it. My love, my friend, my love, my friend, my love, my friend. I hope we be together till the very end. Let's get it. Time steady wasting, I'm never gonna let her go. I'm gonna show a picture at the end of this video. Z to the I to the O-N. Maybe one day we can be more than friends. Crush, you and me, crush, me and you, crush, you and me, crush, me and you, crush, you and me, crush, me and you, crush, you and me, crush, me and you forever. Oh yeah, I almost forgot. I told y'all I was gonna show y'all a picture of her at the end of this video. So, here she go.
Girls like a fresh pair of pantyhose. When I'm 18, I'm gonna start grown. I'm just like my dad, I don't drink coolers. After high school, yeah, I never ever see it. I'm on a market that is cool.